What's up everyone, and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing very well as always. And after we saw the bearish count here, the bearish Elliott Waves count here, where we can still make a new low here on Bitcoin to be aware of, we're going to update quickly what we can do here with this section of the chart. Okay, so let's go on the daily time frame. I think it's good enough. We can now place, the wave 1 I've been training for a long moment here. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then the wave 5 here. Okay, I'm just going to add some green waves here, so bam, it's a bit better. Let's add this. Perfect. So if we have a 5 waves impulsive here, as always, if we're in a bearish plan, it will be an ABC zigzag. Okay, so A wave, B retracement, and a C zigzag here. Just gonna play this a bit more on the left and on the right of everything. Bam, perfect. So in that case, we're going to look for an ABC zigzag. What you have to be aware of that, you have to be aware of every target of the C wave. So to speak here, you pull the extension tool from the A wave root to the A wave top, okay, and to the B wave bottom. From here, you're going to look at the 618, the 120 extension, the 123, and the 1618. 1618 is a maximum target of a C wave or any correction wave, as always. It can still do an extension. It's not very rare to see. I mean, it's very not rare to be honest with you to see an extension in a C wave of an ABC zigzag. So we can still go above the 28%. It's absolutely possible, but yeah, normally the maximum target is a 1618. So from here, in that case, we just have to add some red square here. Bam, this is the first target right here. This is the second target. This is the third and last target normally. If we're in an ABC zigzag, this is where you're going to look for short. The only thing you have to do next is to just go on the order flow, okay, and to read the order flow. This is the only thing you have to do. So for example, this is an order flow. It's a tier chart right here. The only thing you have to do here is to read the order flow and make decisions if you have or not to take the trade just by reading the data here. Okay, this is the only thing you have to do into these targets. Now this is for an ABC zigzag, where in that case next we're going to do WXY, so WXY, X and Z. And now by the way, if you remember good, all the people that was looking for a possible X wave top here, with an ABC flat, okay, so to speak, an ABC flat here, ABC got wrecked. Why? Because this was, everything was possible, but it was not at all the main idea to go down like this directly. Why? Because the X wave have to retrace minimum 38.2. And so what is the 38.2? You pull your feet from the very bottom here to the very top of the first X retracement, okay, of this WXY, X and Z, okay, right here. And so from here, bam, the Y leg is on the low, okay, and so from here we'll have to retrace minimum 38.2. The 38.2 here is a white line. So now if we have to go more down, we are ready to do it. Okay, we are ready because we reached the minimum price that the next wave have to retrace to go more down. So here now this count is valid. It was not valid, it was less likely before. Everything is possible. Now it is even more valid than before, okay, because we have reached the minimum target have to reach normally to go more down. So now be aware of that, okay. That was the first count where this is bearish, okay. These are all the targets. As always, keep in mind that the 618 here is never where to chase, so it's fine to go higher and to retrace from here. That's why you have to add your confidence with the levels, everything, and just trade your target based off the direction from the order flow, okay. As always, if you want to get my updates and everything on the Discord server, I'm relating the data, everything what we need, you can just go and check out the mooncharts.fr website. You get all the information about this. But yeah, for example, this morning I gave some ideas on the lower time frame to VIPs in the daily update, and this is where we got the exact bounce to the absolute dollar here. We're gonna instant 1% pullback, and so for day traders this is absolutely crazy, right? So yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, so let's just move back on the bigger time frame here, 12 hours. And so yeah, from here, so ABC zigzag to the upside as always for the bearish count, or the other configuration is not an ABC zigzag, but we are bullish, okay. So I'm just gonna, by the way, set some folders here so you can really see what I'm talking about right here. So I'm just gonna go with a bearish here, bearish, okay. Normally I already have this below, but gonna keep this right here, okay. Bearish plan, so ABC zigzag to the upside here. In that case, we're going to look for, bam, a correction to go more down, okay. And so we'll have the 618 everywhere to chat wise. 120 extension will be the best. 123 or so is good, and 161 here. These are the main targets here. The 618 is never going to, so be aware. See the 31 to retracement if we make something really bearish here in the order flow, but otherwise 120 extension, 123, 161, okay. So yeah, that's a bearish plan. And as always, why it can be bullish also, it's simply because if you have a 5 ways here, a correction, another 5 ways here, it can be so an ABC zigzag, as it can be, these are the exact same smaller wave of an impulsive. So to speak here, it can absolutely be also wave 1, 2, in that case next we're going to make a wave 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here, how do you find the wave 3 and the wave 3 targets for the moment? We're going to find a wave 3 targets here. You place your extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom. You have this course on the website for free. Really go and check this out. You have all the strongest page. You're going to get only the wave on the website. So go and check this out. Really, it's just waiting for you. Anyway, so wave 3 here, most common target. Again, we'll have 2% chance to stop on the 120 extension, but we'll have a lot more chance to reach minimum the 1618. Okay, so we think about the most probable stuff. So 1618 is the main target of the wave 3. Now again, keep in mind that we have also all of these targets for the wave 3. This is a most common one, but if we have to go high, we can absolutely go higher. Okay, that's very, very important to understand this. So most common target wave 3 1618, then retrace into a 30-month retracement because we have one on a 5618. As always, for people that are not following here or just coming here, by the way, welcome to you on the channel. But here you can clearly see that we went between the 50 and the 6.86%. Before, we already recognized that the wave 2 got more chance to go there. Why? Because we have 73% chance to retrace between these targets, and so we went inside here and we got an instant pull, an instant rise here. Absolutely insane. So we have been able to long the very low, we have been able to long here and to buy maybe also for spot before this big rise, all by playing with statistics and of course with the waves. But this was the most probable target. That's pretty cool. So from here, wave 3 1618, most common targets. Again, keep in mind that all of these fib are the wave 3 targets. Please be aware of that. Then retracement if you start on the 1618 38.2. Okay, so you just pull your fib from the top of the wave 3 to the root of the wave 3, or from the root of the wave 3 to the top of the wave 3. It depends as always if you reversed your tool or not in your settings. I did, so it's from the top to the bottom. So it's from the bottom to the top. Now again, go and check out the website. You have everything on it. Anyway, wave 4 31 here. This is a regular retracement after a regular wave 2. So once we have done this, bam, wave 5 120 extension. If you pull your fib like this, you can see that we are, this is a most common target, 120 extension right here. Okay, so yeah, this is the most common impulsive to the upside. Now if we stay with the most common impulsive to the upside, these are the wave 5 targets for the moment. If we do the most common wave 3, if we do the most common wave 4, bam, in that case these are the wave 5 targets. So first of all, we'll have 35,000 with a possible swing field power fail auction of the wave 3 top. Then we'll have 40k clear 39,000. Then we'll have the 1618, that is 45,000, and then we'll have 54,000. That's pretty crazy, to be honest. And then if we have to push higher, again, that's an extension. It is possible, but yeah, we'll like to see maybe a bit of a bigger stuff like this if we have to make something higher with another bigger wave 1, another bigger wave 3 or 5 here. Okay, so for now this is the most common impulsive to the upside. It's very early to determine the wave 5 target because we don't know if the wave 3 is going to start on the 1618 or if it's going to start on the 120 extension. We don't know really all of this. Okay, it's just in case we do the most common impulsive to the upside, the wave 3 here, the wave 4 here. In that case, these are the good wave 4, the wave 5 turret. But for example, if we do a smaller wave 4 turret, bam, you just have to hide this third extension tool. In that case, the first turret is here, the second turret is here, the third turret is here, and the fourth turret is here. So we'll have to, it's really going to be different. It really depends on the wave we're going to confirm. But with the most common impulsive to the upside, it gives this. Okay, so yeah, these are all the configuration: A, B, C, zigzag, or impulsive to the upside. It's really 50-50 here, so I'm really excited to see which one we're going to confirm, and hope you're too, by the way, because yeah, well, you think if we do an ABC zigzag here, ABC zigzag, we're just going to make a new long Bitcoin. Okay, we can still make a bigger triple wave next, all of this, but it's a lot more probable to get another move to the downside than to get another, than to reclaim everything next. Okay, so yeah, anyway, hope this helped. As always, if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. This is very important. And yeah, I wish you all a brilliant day. And if you want to write some comments down below, by the way, do not hesitate. It's a pleasure to read you all. If you have some questions, so join the Discord server. You can get all of this right here. So you can just have all this right here. You have all the chat right there. Okay, really go and check this. You can just join here, ask your question, and just send some message. Everything. You can just talk with some people where the training is patient. Elliott Wave also. So yeah, go and check this out. Really, you have the link right below in the description. Don't forget, like I say, to subscribe, turn on notifications, and smash the like. And yeah, I catch you all tomorrow at 10 AM GMT+1 FR time for the daily update on Bitcoin, and otherwise in another update or maybe on Discord. Anyway, have a nice day, take care, cheers.